Hi everyone, my name is Victoria Paikin from EasyRecipesWithTwist.com, and today I'm here with my friends at RecipeLion.com who asked me to produce a video on this incredible chocolate cake. This is not just chocolate cake, this is absolutely fudgy and chocolatey and absolutely deep, joyful and absolutely incredible cake. So, if you want to know how to make it, continue watching the video. For this recipe you will need 7 ounces of soft butter, 2/3 of the cup of sugar, 1 cup of dark chocolate chips, and 6 divided eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And for incredible ganache you will need 1 ounce of soft butter, 1/3 cup of chocolate chips, dark chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of milk or cream, and 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. I'm melting the chocolate on a double boiler. Here, chocolate and butter together. I'm starting to beat my egg whites. I'm adding a little bit of salt to egg whites. It helps them rise. And I'm adding about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, natural vanilla extract. And now I'm starting to beat them until they get to really soft peaks. Do you see this what I mean? You see soft peaks, it forms to soft peaks. So now I'm starting to add sugar, tablespoon by tablespoon. I'm adding next tablespoon after the first one is completely incorporated into the eggs. It will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Oh, sorry for the noise. After 5 minutes, as you see, all sugar is incorporated and it's really quite soft peaks. I don't want to dry my eggs, otherwise the cake will lift a lot and will fall down. It will fall down anyway, but still I want it gentle. So it should be quite not so dry. Now the butter and the chocolate is melted, so I'm just helping them to incorporate together. Now I'm adding egg yolks one by one into the chocolate, and you have to mix it well, otherwise they will scramble, and you don't want scrambled egg inside your chocolate. So mix really well. Now I'm taking my chocolate and transferring it to bigger bowl. Such a beautiful molten chocolate. I love this. It's really good chocolate. Okay, now I'm adding 1/3 of the egg whites. This will lighten the chocolate. And I'm not mixing, I'm folding. Now I'm just slowly incorporating the chocolate into the egg whites, or other way around. Okay, now the chocolate is lightened and it's ready to take all the rest of the egg whites. It will be really light and fluffy. You can add everything in one time. You don't have to do it chunks by chunks. It smells nice. It's beautiful, dense cake going to be. I took 9 each pan and I lined it up with parchment paper and oiled it all. So now I'm adding my butter, flourless butter, to my pan. You see, it's going to be really light, fluffy and absolutely incredible cake on one side and absolutely gooey and fudgy inside. Because the secret to this cake is not overcook it. It have to be really moist inside. So take your cake, pop into preheated oven for 315 degrees to about 35 to 40 minutes, or until the middle is still soft and the upper side is really puffed up. So see you there. You see, this is the cake after 35 minutes. You see, on the top it's dry and puffy, but the middle is really soft and still watery. And this is exactly what I want. All of this is going to fall down and it's absolutely okay. You see, as I'm talking, it's going down. So let it cool completely. The cake is completely cool and as you see, it's sunk down. It's absolutely cracked, but this is the beauty of the cake. This makes it absolutely perfect. Now I took all the ingredients of the sauce together and melted it with the coffee, instant coffee inside and with everything else, so it's just beautiful. Okay, now I'm covering all the cracks with this beautiful sauce. Yeah, love it. Even it inside the hollow cavity and just serve. Yum. Let's try this beauty. The idea of flourless cake is made just perfect. It's absolutely fudgy texture, so that's why all my friends call this fudge cake. You know, French have this incredible theory that everything comes in moderation, even the moderation. So this cake is exactly for those incredible moments that you don't have to think about calories or anything else in the world. Absolutely out of this world. So I hope you enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe, write me a comment, thumbs up me and cheers, Victoria.